Okay children, today what are the different types of chemical reactions you learned till now? The first one is combination reaction. Okay, what is combination reaction? In this what you learned? That means two reactants are combined together and form one new product. Then here A plus B equal to, it gives AB. So here it is the new product formed by two reactants joined together. So it is combination. And second one is decomposition. In decomposition reaction, what was there? Just opposite to this. This AB, it is the reactant. Decompose, that means split into two, that is A plus B. So two new products formed. So that is decomposition reaction. And the third one is single displacement reaction. Single displacement reaction. In this, one reactant which will be more reactive, and then it replaces the less reactive reactant from the compound and forming the AC. Here it goes here. So AC plus B. It means the stronger one replaces the weaker one and it takes its place. That is single displacement reaction. And the fourth one is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Here both of them exchange their ions. AB plus CD equal to, here A positive, here B negative, here C positive, here D negative. So positive will go to the negative and form AD. Then here this positive comes here. So both of them are exchanging their places, right? So here CB. Understood? Now here students, the positive ions, what we will call them as cations. And the negative ions, we call them as anions. Clear students up to here? So the next reaction you are going to learn is oxidation reduction reaction. Okay? Oxidation reduction reaction. Just to see how you can define this oxidation reduction reaction. Now see here oxidation. In two ways you can define oxidation. First one is that is addition of oxygen. Okay, addition of oxygen, that is oxidation. For this, how one example, carbon plus oxygen. So here oxygen acts as an oxidizing agent and supplies enough oxygen to carbon and it forms a carbon dioxide. Understood? So here what is adding? Oxygen is adding here and forming carbon dioxide. In another way, how you can give the definition for oxidation? That is removal of hydrogen. That one how you can do it from hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide and here chlorine. Chlorine, here it is removing of hydrogen. So here hydrogen chloride forms HCl plus sulfur. Now see here chlorine acts as an oxidizing agent. How? Here chlorine removes this hydrogen from hydrogen sulfide and it goes here and forming hydrogen chloride. Now see here is the equation balanced? No. Hydrogen here 2, here chlorine 2, but here 1. So if you put 2 common here, then both of them it will be Cl. So it is the equation is balanced. Here understood? Here chlorine and here oxygen. Both of them act as an oxidizing agent. And both of these reaction is which one? That is an oxidation reaction. Understood oxidation reaction? In both the cases, either by adding oxygen or removing of hydrogen. Both the case I given the example. Now I will explain the reduction reaction. Now see how I will explain the reduction reaction. But the reduction means adding of, first case it is addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen. For this, which example I can give? That example, here if it is bromine is passed through hydrogen sulfide, then you will get a water, hydrogen sulfide, then hydrogen bromide. You will get hydrogen bromide and sulfur comes out. So here see, here hydrogen sulfide, what here, adding of hydrogen to bromine. Okay, so addition of hydrogen. So here hydrogen sulfide act as a reducing agent because it add hydrogen to here and formed hydrogen bromide. Here see hydrogen 2, so you have to put 2 here. Now here it is balancing, right? Br and hydrogen. So here you have to write here bromine, Br2 plus hydrogen sulfide. So it is balanced. Now the second one, how it is, that is removal of oxygen. Okay, removal of oxygen. In this way, how you will, that is magnesium oxide plus carbon. So here carbon act as a reducing agent. So it removes the oxygen from magnesium oxide and then making it, that means magnesium becomes separate and this oxygen goes here and forms carbon monoxide. Understood? So here what carbon act as a reducing agent and here hydrogen sulfide act as a reducing agent, both of them. In this adding the hydrogen and here removing the oxygen. Both these cases, which reaction it is? This is the reduction reaction. What it is? Reduction reaction. So I think all of you understood this, to all the types of chemical reaction. What are the types of chemical reactions you learned, students? First one is chemical combination, second one is chemical decomposition, then the third one is single displacement reaction, fourth one is the double displacement reaction, and the fifth one is the oxidation reduction reaction. I hope you all of you understood.